So now we come to the most important section of our talk, why men financial planners should encourage more and more women investors, and how and what are the things they can do to attract more and more women investors. Well, women are never gender specific, let me tell you that. They are comfortable if the financial planner's soft skills are up to the mark and they understand her what exactly they want to do with their life and with their money. So there are few things which a man financial planner must do to attract more and more women investors on the board. First and foremost, most of the financial planners, their wives are homemakers, and I have seen the couple who work together have done wonders. So when you involve your wife, when you involve your daughter, when you involve your mother into your business of financial planning, trust me, it will do wonders for you, and they will attract many women investors on board. They are very good in operations, they are very good in soft skills, business development and operations and back office too. So if you want to attract more and more women investors on board, first and foremost, encourage your wife to help you and work with you. Secondly, make the best use of online. Today the whole world is in your hand. You can definitely have across the globe any investor you want with you. So make the best use of digital, social media, brand building, online, etc. And lastly, you must do a complete focus on women investors. 50% of the population is women. So is 50% of your investors women? And whenever you are doing counseling for financial planning, ensure and definitely insist that please bring the women of the house along with you when you take that counseling of goal-based financial planning. So this is how you can definitely get more and more women investors on board and do as many as educative financial literacy camps, programs for women, specifically for working women, corporate employees, for women forums, for women groups, for professionals, for teachers, etc. And automatically you will convert them and bring them on board.